Alchemy and alchemy. A good part of course or Cocope Diana. Chrono air bonoa and into all the essay. I could do a quack's radian. And she said, what proper one money a quiet fast run your man. You run the year. And that's a bane. And we need to work towards it. See, Alex Martin Bow say, one yes, I never be because if you do a quite fast yard and Sana fast, the same results now being. You don't expect different results. It is how you could jabby as you trim, as you move from that kind of borrowing and eating, shopping to production. See, I'm called production.
Statement, a similar statement of from taxation to production, and TBA, and I'm also day from borrowing to production.
Borrowing to production, you have taxation to production. No, say taxation no na almost can't because na almost ni any kwambio mbefa so mbeko production ntina. Na no munye ready so mbeko ntina. And also nkwaje ano na say jingo fuzika na yakwakudi yemfa nkoba bi e bit ma resist hwe ma me ma typical example nanu ya dey see sa drip yan way when that drip, this is not the first time. Once your mama correct can so the biba na 2013 as say ko for time na ebi ohon me kai rolling time za na ebi ohon na assemblies no no more payload and this animal. When we are no to Anya, when we call gravel pit, no more to the charge. No machines in our sense. Now we cry anymore. Mamma may come we are the best idea. When him say a NDC by Diana is this will be dear. I baby a how about them say I can't quabrist. Payloader, the battery na new, as you are my battery. Your ocean. Yeah. Me ma kotu bi so ya ocean wo other districts. Me ami ko pi so a. Yeah, ocean. What is the say oh, see why say you can say yeah repair cost no. Huge inti. I was you release the man. An interested party obi a enti ade no de enti o man no see an e be run no ya na balance oba when you do things differently so what I say also be niam differently right so me samo enye yes and wrap up with that yeah about 2 minutes on it na you intro so Sasa we see how one also ba on fa isikan on fa nkonto ne man gugu man grofo enkutwini he we achekura edi na oni na otwimi no ze good gravel pit excavator kan wo de a behunu ase nyina akọ gallery site wo de se no de gallery e wo no so ba de oba ni se wo be ma district bia no wo be ma obe locate 2 contractors nia to sa niema no a ombehia de aye adwuma na ma wo mu na omo de aye adwuma ewo assembly ho no local contractors omo assembly ho mienu na say district ho mienu na wo mu wo ho na omo na ya dedicate omo a omo yes adwuma no assembly ho na ya to eniema na ma wo mu esansi ato ne na wo nti adwuma na omo ye no omo de ya na omo de tete we campaign so you we campaign what it means is that machines no auto and usikan you get it back. Number 2 machines ne be che baby akogina no de be che. Number 3 workers ya wo ma fa wo mu no wo mu be permanent workers enye se we say machines be ye ba be fa workers ya wo machines eni na odwumi ye born washing na workers ni nyina no ada say you omodi na wo ma be burden on the society and on our public face enti ye no ye mfa enya dia ode ye o ye ni say ya a burden na onko IMF right. And ask yourself say machines over to the same I don't know for quite a bono my still we don't know the price the cost of the machines no e say ni about na ehu it is highway another ways drain back on asan ya ye be
sama me da se my intro so e wo ha Akoma 87.9 FM Cosby atrance Cosby good bibi aboko there
Nyakopon adom yetim kwam de yebeka se eye every say ya hwe o man se do man koya ne se de Ghana man atete apansama alaji ba omye no ane boss ompanyi kufo ado ase o man edu ya bibia nkoboko nanso ade achinye de se John yebeka se ye.
I see. Ma yen share yen started from the Japade issue. You only best started there free. Na uti some government officials and some people are almost against this Japade book I ba bonting. Almost difference is that NDC for na moye behind it, and some people are. My imagine say you want to disgrace the government, especially in Nana Dankwa Kufuado and in the family. And I'm saying go on and nimasi. We shouldn't, trust you people. And Wonsom more come about the book. The document is out. It's out there. But some of us, you came you cranwa, you can't do baby pa. But that is the defense at Eba. Cosby.
Sir John, Mesha say no. Na me de inchia kese kwama his excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ghana man pinyini a onam imunukum Eba. Ghana fo enye no mugidie ehunu se saa na ye ntro ne ndada na eye Alhaji Ba Omiane ne boss omampenye Kufuado ni MPP fo. Ometwae edegi tumi ana enne yehu ohawa mo de beto ye so. Enti Ghana fo ehun so ya sonso ni aso ansan ni ehun ni mu oduru. Enti de nchia kese Akoma President John Dramani Mahama. Sir John, concerning a Japade document no. Document no ene kuta me say me camera ni on yes ene kuta me. Sir John, o hwe enimu hwan picture na da ho. Exactly. Osa bie document no echo the next page a Sir John hwan picture na da ho. Enye omampanyi Kufuado ene JB Dankwa ene Ochehene meboa. Very good. First and foremost, sa krata we document we say a document a NDC for ana shada edi document we abade gu omampanyi Kufuado ne JB Dankwa busuafo ene Ochehene enimu ase a ye will be a woman e no character assassination. Document we buy way back even before 2020. Na krata we na buy no. Ka by this time we are expecting omampanyi Kufuado ni MPP for say komodi akọ court. Na nkoma clear omodi no integrity Efrim. Na se omutimi hwe Ghana fo nim de atrosem de nsem a ekye se omuni buo bia de man eka kire se krata we ewu mu no efiri and as a document we no aye Japade document na omaye no efiri NDC for na se efiri Ghana fo bi ho no mo a na che se eye MP fo no omampanyi Kufuado omuni buo bia de man na che se on person mo che se NDC for the magicians ye prophets and yetimi hu ana ye su se ya yetimi hu de dani panim ana yetimi hu omampanyi Kufuado na Alhaji Ba o ma adwenem ani ye hu katahye ne dream die eni se no person am gi oman ne boso eni yetimi kire eni yetimi ye kabia na krata ni mu no omo ne sa pepepe editi Ghana fo. Sir John, ubie krata na the first page of the document, page 1. It is about the forward of the document of the Japade document. The forward here says the summary of the what of the Japade document. Meboa. Okanya maybe kan ka krebi. I say the last 3 paragraph. I say currently with Nana in total control of the whole entity of Ghana, we have the duty to ensure that we take over the commanding height of the essential fabric of the country, in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scenes after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Ochiman would firmly secure and such control both financially, economically, that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana. In page 1, the word document omo chere say enye omo na chiro sa krata no yɛbɛkyerɛ the fact adeɛ a ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmampanyin Kufuor ɛna Alhaji Bawumia bɛtena aban mu no ɔmo yɛ sɛ ɔmo de mo busuafoɔ nko a ɛna ebegu aban nim na krataa na ɛwɔ ha no sɛ sɛne bɛ ɔmo mma ɛne ɔmo mma ne mo mmarima ebetumi abɛgye ɔbaa n'aba so ɔmampanyin Kufuor mpo ni hɔ ɔmo tumi agye ɔman n'aba so na ɔmo control ɔman sikasɛm ɛnyinaa no ɛnie ɔmampanyin Kufuor bɛtena aban mu ne busuafoɔ a appoint ɔmo ba aban mu ɔmo nie first and foremost panyin yɛ fɛ no Nana Asante Bedi Eturo ɔno na yɛ the executive secretary to the president ɛna ɔmampanyin Kufuor saa de post foforɔ saa aka no ho ɔyɛ ambassador at large ɔmampanyin Kufuor ne cousin no Kofi Daako Asante Nana Asante Bedi Eturo papa ɔno ɔmampanyin Kufuor ɛyɛ no the chairman of what Gimpa Council Mrs. Vida Asante the same Nana Asante Bedi Eturo na ɛyɛ ɔmampanyin Kufuor ne cousin no ne maame ɔyɛ the head of president household Kwesi Kuntu Asante ɔno nso yɛ Nana Asante Bedi Eturo nua ɔmampanyin Kufuor ɛyɛ no the member of the Ghana Hostel Board Loretta Ochere ɔyɛ ɔno nso yɛ Asante Bedi Eturo nua baa ɔmampanyin Kufuor ɛyɛ no the member of the Ghana Hostel Board Oba Ken Oforiatta ɛyɛ ɔmampanyin Kufuor nankasa cousin the first time in the history of Ghana yɛnya ɔmampanyin a ɔde ɔno ankasa ne nua ne cousin abɛyɛ finance minister ɔno ɔmampanyin ne hwɛ ɔman no so no na ne nua no ɛhwɛ Ghana sikasɛm so Ken Oforiatta ɔyɛ ne finance minister Samuel Atachia ɔmampanyin Kufuor ne cousin ɔyɛ the minister of works and housing Kwesi Amoakoata ɔmampanyin Kufuor ne cousin ɔsɛ minister for roads and housing Jan Kuma
former
yes because ɔsayɛ no okay so that's what I'm trying to
say two ministries one ministries sorry one ministry
yeah
roads and highways
yes and roads and only roads and highways ana amakwa can simple Atachia works and housing then
yeah
ana Jan Kuma Ekufuor Ekufuor baba o or board member for Creative Arts Council the first time in the history of Ghana ɔmampanyin bi abɛtena so a wakyɛ tumia de bia ma ne mma ba ebi ne nie Duke Oforiatta ɔmampanyin Kufuor the cousin ɔyɛ presidential staffer Edward Ekufuor a ne nickname ɛyɛ Bomti ɔmampanyin Kufuor de nua bɛrima ɔyɛ President Kufuor right hand man Ghana's energy sector Oba Gabi Asaroche Daako a ɔmampanyin Kufuor enua a indirectly obiara kyerɛ sɛ even based on ɔmampanyin Kufuor nankasa ministers a ebi kɔ ɔmo former environmental minister Professor can say the one who is in charge yes from Pom Boateng mu na be kan say Gabi na control ɔmo or say oh yeah indirectly on the say oboka say prime minister of Ghana no Nana Adwo Hackman Gabi Asaroche Daako na yere ɔyɛ the board member of GMPC Mr. Eko Hackman Gabi yere no enua bema ɔyɛ no the board chairman or boss Gabi Akonta and the board chairman of boss Mr. Alex Bafo Jima husband of what Rudalen Bafo Jima and then President Kufuor's in-law or the board chairman of what Gaming Commission Nana Fredua Oforiatta or ɔmampanyin Kufuor the cousin or the board chairman of National Theatre Board yebetimi abo ekuhu baby a ɔmampanyin Kufuor nankasa ɔyɛ ɔno ankasa ne ex-girlfriend a yɛfrɛ no
ne ex-girlfriend
a yɛfrɛ no Madam Virginia Hesse a ɔno na saa no ne wo ne baba ɔyɛ ambassador to Czech Republic Madam Virginia Hesse ɔmampanyin Kufuor no wɔ baba this clearly confirmed the page 1 almost say ebusuafoɔ yɛbɛgye ɔman no abɔ so we nye Ghanafoɔ no twerɛ yo we kyerɛ sɛ ɔmampanyin Kufuor ɛne na ebusuafoɔ na ɔmbɛgye ɔman no abɔ so yɛsan kɔ biom oba the next page the same page 2 or say oba page 2 the last 4 paragraph or say although the Asante group within the current MPP is gearing itself to take over the party after Nana's tenure in 2024. It would be the ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. With hard work, we could work to pass the mantle over to a non-account person, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover projects. And you know, we should pay 2 of Omanga Japadia document now. Omas Hatchim say, Omo say, Asante for MPP party no, do dona wumwa, Omo to me wumpa. It is a man pay for the bush of many to me wumwa. Omunyi 2024 among for Omanga say hunipa emra free enough, one free enough from the Bay Flabera, Alaji Baumia. Niyenyi Alanche Martin and free ho out Yasantin, Yenny free ho. Send ye beya Omampania Kufuado. Ebetimi nye control ni ne busu afọ kuma bi o mo wachi memuno obetimi nye tumi ewo Ghana so etu hwe MPP as a party a na ka mo bibia e fe ne convention chese ne se omo party no ka we free ho no a na ka we neighbor eti hu se edubu ahe free ho president Kofo ne bae Ekufo ne president Kofo stand ye no omo Ekufo do cross the pay down president Kofo sa bae eye ala ne Ekufo so koye no edu mebi ala na kasa cross the pay down se omo Ekufo de enkoma omo Ekufo da kasa gina simpie so eka say alanche mati mi fiwa ona wo ba afede ba ne say enam eye oman no
cause the mu bia ni ho a ye ka say no ye nto aba so
exactly that's why exactly that's the reason why
we have had instance running vice president say the okay if say o dey come back be see the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia dey so we've had a vice president through election I mean Okobi wantima win nti it's not about we na ba me sure say be a party natural in anywhere say asumesi dia wo say we na ba na senka
okay
Ali Mahama after Mampeni Kofo Ali Mahama na wo senka na oba. You get the point. So convention now will come once I don't get
it. John, okay, my it could be a convention. Convention is something a principle.
Yeah.
It's also accepted in law. It's even say be a yekeba emremua. Kemran beka say, oh yewo akonya bia moye maadie.
Yeah.
Then emrano then the court will take that into consideration. Say okay, say na moye modie ndia that's convention ye nyusu ni sa. Anything na me say obi biara or what Ghana
it is not a convention in the party say
a convention in the party
no how
I tell ban saying ana Alanche Martin ne crofo I ne bibru na akojo ne movement for change bi so aka MPP mu omo ka say edru so e ban saying that is the convention that is the convention me ka say en fa mode bo select Flabera me ka sa but what I'm saying is say yet me hwe Ghana fo nim etie for mutie ya omunim say MPP aban MP as a party no we ba who did this one?
You think that Nanka Obia
about say they do me say Bawumia. And can you tell me aside Bawumia? Tell me Obia from nowhere by MPP Flabera. Almost say a time who did some renos wa who did to some stage then you come and become the Flabera
to a name position.
That is it. That is the convention. That is their convention of the MPP.
We are in 1 minute. Right.
Oh, say documents in the woman also. So you say Oba page 6 in the same Ejapade document. MPP for no Mampeni Kufuado na Alaji Bawumia mon kan kire say ye na edi share document nim ana ewu Mampeni Kufuado adwenem and Alaji Bawumia ma adwenem say omon kan kire Ghana for say SNET as an entity no omo a place to be a board member a slot ewo Ecobank enti no yan for so na ma oforia taba e friend Kofi Bosompem osafo mafo ba e friend Kofi Bosompem osafo mafo yan fa ne mra na on meye the MD of SNET na on koye one of the board members of Ecobank na owia is Akoma yere your friend Josephine Anan Akoma ono so na ono so ewo Ecobank no obetimi aforso mo pay for the lobby skills ama sa ama me no aba beye the board the MD or the CEO of Ecobank in Kenya na eba ne sa no a you the board member na SNET ewo so no na eno so Akoma ye busuani ono so yere eda so no ye betimi diga na sikasem ama ye diga na sikasem na aba ye dia me hu kwa betimi diga na sikasem afa Ecobank ne other entities ama ye nsu ye ho ana on page 6 of their document
right so
medima no AC no in that say Ejapade document no the family and friends no Alaji Bawumia oyebi enie o say Alhaji Ramadan Ahmed Ramadan Oya Alhaji Bawumia na asew.
Captured in the document.
Captured in the document, family and friends. Captured in the document.
They all can capture. It's only that.
Yes, it's captured in the document. It's evidence near the man.
There is
page 1. It's evidence. Yes.
And a pager.
Yes.
Who say
family and friends.
Yes. I'm refer to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So
family. Yes, exactly. I don't know Bawumia on car by now. It's any Alhaji Bawumia na asew Alhaji Ahmed Ramadan. Oya na asew the special envoy. To the United Arab Emirates. It's only a Ghana ambassador of United Arab Emirates. Alhaji Bawumia na konta Abu Ramadan. Osa deputy director for NADMU. Fauzi Ramadan. Samira Bawumia nuya bema otosu mienu. Alhaji Bawumia akonta. Osa so a special assistant.
Special assistant to wine.
Special assistant to brother of second lady Samira Bawumia and double as her special assistant.
No, special assistant to
special assistant. The one scared to
second lady.
Special assistant. The one scared to
special assistant.
The one scared to and so my mommy answer straightforward.
If say Obi say this person and best way a special assistant, should that be an issue too?
That would be an issue. You know why? Yet your memu one on my penny for the catcher say. Ghana for motu a mutu ya musika ejeje no ye fi ntwa meyire eka ne ntwa Alhaji Bawumia so yire Samira Bawumia kan enti o man mu a mu media for mu soro ya mu soro gina brane se mo ntia se mo mpa ewu ntwa na yire ka ama Alhaji Bawumia so ntwa na yire ka
me da se my ntwa so time na so mame nko Fred ho ne I want to me pese me share time no se de be ya obi abenya ne de me ma obi mu ngro bi de me nko ye but yenko ye nim sa Fred good morning.
Good morning, sir. John.
Ibi aboko o microphone ya no in the yama me na
Sir John Yakupon ene medini ye.
Right.
Mase bro no bi ase no denyame.
No denyame.
Yakupon da Roma na anopai. Katamada bodue mu na modedi mu ofisa ni emfasida. Eman otwedi ampon. Ebio na mamenchia eye the New Patriotic Party eye NPP a na Fuada Roma omode akonya amayenia yedi ade o magane mu ye na Ghana fo nyina ase na omosan ahwehwe ebo se nyame ya aduma 2024 ena madwuma pa sante se adwuma pa January akwaye ena madwuma pa ya ye ene nyoma ya ye nti ombesan de kakonya na ama extension amenchia ayemi anu especially me am ofa Mr. Amwa ya o MPP ni o MPP na yana ni nyina na esum na menchia NDC wonde minne nchia da Mr. Amwa de mo ofa na
ndi Mr. Amwa da so MPP ni amone na esum obeto de amamo
obeto
wow
ya na tambia ne se ba ye ban Mr. Amwa kekan se mebrebe na anse wiase ya na sebe Mr. Amwa me ferry for me wo fa no in fact me nim Mr. Amwa no nim onde no nim me ba me de na me nim no from afar Love Enterprise samre na yesusu a na yete so forward we say ye cross street na ewura airport lands na so eho na na dwumadi ye wonti ye onipa bu an bi share studio na wo kana asem ya na eden etam bi Mr. Amwa me bom pese ya na ka me Mr. Amwa nhia da aha na ba wonni hia because ensem bi o kan ye no se nye Mr. Amwa pa na ye Mr. Amwa na koye different
no but if said they all canon
oh no
baby
no but they were be sia canon no they kan ye no de enya no kra say oh ya no a ya na ensem bi wo ha ne kan eden because enya nim say sebe mpadu asase obi edi ne ho abra alanchematen a omudi na chi no alanchematen da bia me kan say last time I mean Mr. Amwa share let me see share one of the radio station recent one em say na silver ena na me kan say ye pobi odi no ne ho abra e alanchematen no na edi ne ho abro because ena me sa kan say abrabo a Mr. Amwa abono party ni mo no alanchematen wo mobi in fact en kwa da me kan no and any week e wo Kesben TV so abrabo a Mr. Amwa abono party ni mo no alanchematen wo mobi di ntinam e de be ntinam me kan sa obusa obia se alanchematen abrabo wa bom so na ko fa mpete ke bae wona ko fa yef youth young executive forum am abusa se sa nyema we say ni direct benefit a MPP enye free so ne den eno sa danchi a nyina yenim 2007 o ka Ghana ha obia na party no na wo ye popular na say sɛbi na yɛde state resource support na alankyerɛmaten na de helicopter samina no yɛ wɔnyɛ obiara o na wɔde helicopter ne ɛyɛ campaign na wɔde helicopter na ɛyɛ campaign eti ne yɛ samina ne yɛ kan so obi yɛ establishment candidate
no the helicopter campaign as
what or call campaign baabi o tun de helicopter kɔ 2007
for then I want to understand
na campaign so yɛ den
no that
yɛn to abama so yɛ flag bearer
nti ɛna na mpɛ sɛ establish because
yɛn to abama so yɛ flag bearer
why campaign within that period
ɔno for the party say ɔno ne ho as a flag bearer no what the campaign esire bisa obi a onim bia
no I just na me yɛtie for betia see nti no
that so mama atias mark correct me samre no na ne yɛka so obi establishment candidate that was the time one and now one more di party anim to the sense bia be ministers on near there nya no omo site e die be ntina lanche mate want me sustain no e che so unim nipa ye unim kwan fa so hwe nipa Justin Kodua no wabe general secretary na bi no wabe general nya no your boys John Kuma no nya no your boys Kwabran Senche omo kroma no nya no your boys we can mention them a lot no mu nyina your boys dan na mu nyina fi wachi che so mu nipa ye wantimi a establish constituency ma wo ye ka constituency asin se wo gumi nipa wantimi anya bi na wo pani pa akọ wadi John alanchamaten awu pa so a na na ohinto na ohinto I am telling you na ohinto na ohinto me na ohinto anka 2015 kamma nanado kamma John Alan contest nanado na kemu no kama na support no fully na even sika o back file confirm support no but from 2007 ebesi even 2015 now o contest here na me nua ndc ni no can be say yes convention I don't think say word no you so win that word no say ya kasa party be air convert na say by convention there kan yan ka John Dramani mama ke nunu so kra o John Dramani mama na ke nunu so kra o
se bia no nye convention in their party
because
bia no nye convention in their party
and yam say sa word na kasa wonti ase yam say sa word wonti ase MPP constitution alanche maten kan no kasa drum say na say yes 17 no so kasa time aso so it means that na similar to adrum so time aso alanche maten kan kasa adrum so ono dwen say from Kofo from Yura Kofo ebesi ne no so for ono na the most popular candidate ya ka o probi a o se de manual ba nya popularity ne de ka adwumaden wa ye adwuma na watimi establish enkrofo watimi build on wo party no eno ne ye de ka am say na me nua pani me wofa amwa Mr. Amwa love it aka bi se IMF aye koye no em say ko yetutu bibidi no ne ade ene na ka lanchemate ne credibility no is tainted alanchemate credibility is seriously tainted because I'm not kwa IMF no wo mo a ye ma wo mo team a organize wo no mo media international no alanchemate na dimutintima pa in fact one na kwatena UTV any Metro TV any Peace FM kire mu dikudie ntia hia se wo se kwa IMF edi se o sabe mpreduas akwanya beda ho na wo ka ni se ya na ne na alanchemate na ni kwa senka sabe unit committee kran kokope bibi I'm telling you because that is serious. Ghana for wu pa wu because I am for no nya de anya adentina na lanchemate nam radio to radio Metro TV Peace FM UTV no nam we kire mu se Ghana for anyintumo convince NDC for no Ghana for nyina se anyintum se I am for ya de papa
anyway
it's not just lanchemate on
right okay yenko
asem ni nyina so
yeah
first and foremost ma mentina na menka dia me de sha se no se ajapade book na omoka ho asem no ma musa why author why na choose book no book bia ni se book bia tire book bia ye wode otro ye ye fe no author eno na be ma wotimi dey establish the credibility of the book first and foremost who is the author or who authored that book and a book bia so ya your forwarder ni animu dey o hwe prove ye no e wan na me no kuro ni se wotina ha wo ye nipa oba wo now kasa sa buko ya de bia yemfanya adwuma na we cease to be a human being in fact now nipa na ka no let me use that
how
word
how do you say this
now nipa na kakakra
Debbie
because
that is unacceptable
no
meba that is unacceptable
I don't think acceptable
sir if that is this is a document ɛna nipa na kan na
enti na me busa wo
say compare that one neighbor or compare what is in the book to what is happening.
Enyo no ni say na make wo asem book enye na aba wo.
Oh yes,
2016 tie eya 2016 asem book na 2016 o mfa
be
2016 no na achim project edin ga kanu achen me bo abia Mr. Amwade o na ni afie bi obekai
no why mo na dey aba na efe na achim
eno ti na me busa wo say why na tro ye no sebe impreview even Daily Graphic, Ghanaian Times, The Informer, Extra Story, Ota no the otro and reporter na din wase. How much more
you can disagree.
How much more
you can like disagree this? And state your fact.
Me call university. Me try Sir John.
That statement I'll make here no.
Sir John.
That is my problem with you. That
no, don't have problem with me.
No, you can say you can have a proper way of saying it. Ghana fund discredited, but okay say. Obia obeji book we di. Akan book we. When meba
fan say a document we am fanya bibi no. Na oni pa na kakakra.
Oh but o share document no niam e wo mu niam nkofo kan ya. E niam asi nti ade 2016.
Meba ho nyam.
Say if say
no. Sir John, you seem to say meba ho nya fair.
Meba nya fair asem. Enya fair asem.
Why don't you allow me to flow? Now we are down so. Said okay, just say me obi kasa na me kan.
Me na me moderator.
No moderator. That is all the time na me.
As mema okwan mo aka wasem. But me problem with the issue that obia obeji book na di ceases to be a human being.
Me say
okay, that is serious.
Now we need pa na
that is serious.
Because documenter and am catch us say documenter even Daily Graphic, The Informer, Daily Guide, Extra Story, the otro yam ni din shase. Na so obi kwatena ba bi na ota document bi na tutu system. Now catch am say me mfanye ade a ehu hia. Already in documents we Ghana for na nkasa to akune dada.
This was meant to be a secret document.
Me say
this was meant to be a secret document. And for that matter, all compare no to Daily Graphic, whatever. Those are public documents that are out there for people to read.
Yes, it be a secret.
Yeah, it was meant to be a secret document. And the Bible thing.
Me say a secret document. And
I'm saying it was meant to be secret.
Master, are you interviewing me or you are?
No, I am moderating the show. I am moderating the show. Mamintio.
One I would say show no.
Mamintio.
No, Sir John, you are not fair to me because it's already what take it 5 minutes. I
will give it to you.
And then strategy,
I will give it to you.
Mr. The strategy.
I will give it to you.
The strategy is one engage me. Na me kasa o ma me kasa me biema no hey. Me biema no hey.
I will give it to you.
Onu smart. E ka che Ghana for so be to ba me MBB o ejimi fo.
No. But the fact that sister station doesn't mean they allow. Maybe the fact that sister station doesn't mean no. You can only say this when you are referring to me. Say when you are referring to me. Say me na maka. You can refer to me, but you cannot refer to some obi awakana sem. Even though a sister station, but you cannot refer to obi akana sem. Someone statement. I have not insulted anyone here. Into metra meka say obi insult you our sister platform. So I mean that is not fair.
Me say obi Wabeka se sabuku document we document me to go back now. Na nipa ya kakakra.
All right.
Adentra Americans, the Americans and say document ya sabiye nim de otro ye. Na mo ka kire say eyi. Na in any case, si ya kaso obi e de ejapade e ma na busua John Dramani Mahama. Nyina hini box site $680 million was a sad man ni nua sabe ni nua Ibrahim Mahama. It is ya kaso obi de ejapade e man one single project ya Ghana and na me no tie nyina hini box site just 2% pe emfaso ade bro man Ghana ya and ye na rose ye de ye yakwan by hydro isano hydro ye de ye yakwan enka John Dramani Mahama on the 31st of January 2017 ko osan de mani nua osan de mani nua kwa osan de mani nua osan de mani nua ena Nyankopon daroma ye ba power abanse san ye o ko wasesa ne mo odi ko guru anyina hini forest mu na regional minister Samuel Semensa the nurse from Chrome for the nurse from saying and power court from high court to supreme court in Yahudi for. It is a case will be so major part now catch me say Nanado dan Kweku Fuado any or Chihine the main Kasamo Chihine. Na or the document ye do major part the book na me share summary no or see the economy of Ghana ye de ma wo so Agro God Ashanti ye wa santime mu no Nanado dan Kweku Fuado besisa no the court chiman wa chiman mu na say achimabu akwa say monye no abefa love enterprise ni business no the call no afọ major pade nyina no de akoma wo chiman say wo chiman eni yie eno sa da nche ya o hwe eye ahensam ye wo krom e wo man Ghana mu a sabe impreduas akan Nanado eno wo chiman ebetimi ama otumfo tumi ni mu duru eye no eso ate ya na because ade mu ka ho asem book no mu kan wo chiman ene Nanado betimi ama otumfo mu duro ya Prince Charles ene awiase nyina recognize otumfo no ni mu duro no aba fom ana anase betimi a change asante dis asante ze say de wo chiman ye say nti say de asante ni asante bio Kumasi International Airport ni aba befa ukọ na Larugua na Nairi ya wo ye the overlord of Mamprusi traditional area no no so ya fa ne tumi ni ada you see eno ti America show say na but sad we say no mesrew 2016 omu yusu ye 2020 NDC for say yusu ye mami nto NDC for it's about time also omodwene smart omoye smart omoye fast ehunu say that 2024 election na say Ghana say no sa propaganda yemfa ne man say antare nkrofo no atwam 2008 NDC for start eno bi no man sa ase no na we de nyame chade e shanka rade din say yehunu anon tem 2008 eno mkwachi sha account Prudential Bank account edi obia din edin sha no di sika sha no we 30 trillion we say eno NDC for MBP for so much afa 2008 NDC for Bakacha Ghana for say eye comfort no teaching hospital kofo emergency awasie no ye wura kofo afa so wie na dwuma as president enu no de ba be enu no ba betena ho ne residence ombe kan ye 2008 NDC for na fifiave kote Bakacha Ghana for say kofo afa gold bars e wo Ghana nyina eye sa 8 tons no tonnage no afa gold ba nyina de ba ni krom da ba ene enya dwuma biu sa ne ma we say me 2016 omo kan ho asem but enu ti na make cho so o hwemu a me nua ne kan wa chronicle ena we ye say ena we ye say ena we ye say ena we yi Nanado appoint na yi ma me ka say me nchiro so wo pra aba we say mu region what benefit from about in terms of ministerial appointment Ashanti region both CEOs deputy ministers Ashanti region are benefit here the documents are there enti eme wan san nkrofo bo omudin omhwan na wo impact e wa ban mu a mvi ye kwa cabinet meeting kroko bie
obi more impact pa
when no impact
you
can have your say we can have our way
then executive secretary would also have impact
executive secretary
only impact
executive secretary the president
when Ken Ofori-Atta is also a finance minister is an impact
no it is not true
when Ofori-Atta what was his name Amakwanta is roads minister
Amakwanta MP
is also impact
good impact Amakwanta MP na ese nti Amakwanta no MP na okodi na Nanado
it's not about the MP
Nanado na me achechede man na attach on body na attach ya has been in the political landscape and been a lawyer of good standing for a decades wa bone bra Ken Ofori-Atta data bank was my yeken busa obi from 1992 data bank started advising Ghana on investment foreign investment since Rollins time data bank advising Ghana on investment Kofoba data bank advising on investment John Professor Mills by data bank advising mama time data bank na near investment no rely on it data bank you say data bank back and Ofori-Atta just a Kufuor yawo ni nua John Ibrahim Mahama mom na be ya Ibrahim Mahama Kufuor time Kufuor na establish Ibrahim Mahama enti si ya ka asem bia sansensem buku bi say no eye buku bia enti na make cho say wo ye nipa wo ba wo now we rely on this book say book ni anything to do with her now we need paye no akakakra and I still stand by
and that is why
good and I still stand by because there are so many instances here yawo man Ghana mu a NDC for chatro from 2008 omo jeniema enseme no man kan afa fifi kwete ekotena appointment committee ani mo parliament na ye busa na say nsem akafa akofo ho na wo kika nsem no emfata no was we the politics in the be na economic can be look at such person such party can you continue to believe such party you cannot continue to believe such party
my mom is
I know sad and just recently omo ankasa northern region omo campaign omo launch omo campaign fifi ko tenu mu gina ho praise kofo me wa kan samfo de atade bon de ani kwansa odo ano kan 2008 fa kofo e di ku nani mu ase e na gina praise no the same thing na na bank akufo ado free so Ghana for be kai no enchirima be kai no
but that's it. Thank you very much Mr. Man.
Very interesting. Many is working more fast is working. That's interesting.
Tim someone the book no Newcastle GD.
I say well we can be I just working here. You about no wo.
I be say me
I just
oh ya boa. Oni pa ye nya juna. O da mama kan wa wi o de mama kan.
Man o da me someone.
Why Kwabri East mupi parliamentary candidate
Onyina your friend Onyina
Kwabri East
your friend Onyina Kwabri East
Odi Onyina
I don't yeah but Odi Onyina yeah
Onyina the same name if I free ko febra
unim your friends lady they know MPM too.
Francisco Watson.
Okay. All right. When were they friend a MIF Mineral Income Investment Fund? When was it established?
I think it's recently abided by.
When in PDS?
In PDS.
When was it established?
PDS established before the power.
Mr. Ma, meaning the opposite what you want to make.
In fact, this time PDS started.
Yeah. So if you near me was a book you see now, you'll be shocked. Say, the petting chance in a bonity. Now, so much chance a plan to plunder a state like Ghana. And sometimes we can't book we are going to be shocked. Se baby a kasa buku nka e dey bitima akofa ba o ma o. What does it? Na enso so nya ma o kan nyina so bem. Ni ma o twere no ni ba o twere yin but ni ma o twere nyina bem. Hwe se o hwe the update of Japadia.
Year 2024.
Say the update. Update. The album
started from 2016.
Fred, can you allow him?
56 diabolic a year woman in an 31 abem 25 are in progress. You be change central bank leadership. Amemana abem what is Security and Exchange Commission change of leadership to take over abem data bank transaction advice to major government deals amem enterprise group the main insurer of government assets. Amemana abem what I say sa Kelly GVG sa eyibi omkofa ba ya omde akota telcos no. Do you know say every month they are paid $1.5 million since Ombeka e dey adwuma pa no have they ever come out to any report that say obi area telcos no and they are paying them abem what I say Unipass the Ghana Port and Harbour Authority Revenue Control Takeover. This is only the first one. Abem. What I say? Anti power distribution PDS and America. Kotoka International Airport is being managed by management agreement. It's completed. Bank of Ghana governor strongly aligned. You know, Pobi and strongly aligned part the part Abem. First deputy. second deputy they are not sure until they are working on him until say na retirement of Bank of Ghana first deputy no replacement with strong Baumia lawyer is still in progress. War fund and the accounts and banking sector clean up. We don't have some kind. Say it facilitates the flow of substantial financial resources into our war fund through backflow of some of the advertised cleanup cost. Advertised cleanup cost. You see, you banks now book 9 billion. Keep it 9 billion now straight. You have 21 billion. And the coin. Adia now okay say now wait me de. Wait me nyamono. 900 cedis ya. What the 2.1 and a repair. And that's what they do. So they were building a war fund, war chest. They were building monies. What doesn't make economic sense is say bank about 9 billion now the 21 billion net one year cancer we say then we are talking we are your sensibility near the idea grow. What I say? Consolidated Bank of Ghana CBG to return to private ownership. And also Ghana Amalgamated Trust. Womunya 800 million Ghana cedis from government of Ghana. Then also complete. And I think takeover of women use our money now to take over the other banks. So the build them. You are also completed. ABSA, GCB, Stanbic, and Zenith Bank. We move to get leverage from there. No? Now, do woman crop for eco rural honor. Ama Omaka could take leadership position. It's still in progress in here. Eco Bank, woman proclaim me Eco Bank. You're not abem. You're not fast. Boy, yeah, a brand here, Aqua, Snake Boss. A soft mouth about bosom pimp, a soft mouth. Woman to call a snake boss. You're not a Bemos is here or no, you need to know leverage. A Eco Bank is here. And the idea no more she shall know more ya moody. This is why I call this book the satanic verses no, because you're very dangerous. Now do not ban us yen I see make sure say you bet me a share my dinner jinana say yen still that's you didn't know more there's nothing like that happening. That's very dangerous. Sure. I brand new I don't know how boom. When they go over there now. Took after the name the company SAS. Woman see one way strong did you bear any say? Woman the leadership no more honor or more year man. Umbe fakwa bisama enkrofo aba yiyi woman feel her. Just umbe pulu what they we use carcass you know the about lure woman to other bank so that na you know I intimate take over. State Insurance Group, SIC Group, woman complete take over upon our board and senior management. Abem Nagrat na any a year almost see use says can be. Now they are making sure say mugu oni nyina ye crop.
But is more Nagrat in the you've seen opposition on the map by.
It's in progress.
You've seen opposition on the map by.
It's in progress.
It's in progress.
You know how it's in progress. It's in progress, yeah. Enuntin na omo pese baumia eba trust nobody complete because out of the 56 diabolic plans no mafano omo tiba completed 31 aka 25 nyan na hwa omo nti omo tiba anya complete takeover ediam force na mfa baumia mra na omra me wie na said you forward omo preferably somebody from the 87.9 Kumasi. I say, oh yeah, Saturday we say yeah. Father. Me now investment fund. I make can once more. What is that? First, yani ana you into the industry. We pay royalties to a friend GRA. Royalties need to call direct. Now we have been instructed to pay our royalties to MEF, to Bank of Ghana. The Sikano could do her. One more board one, you know, to talk to other investment because a book nyomde ye book no is so comprehensive and dangerous so an hwe ya o na say oka say book we ya na no tribom se pa na nipa bi atan so mu peso mu ye o man no mu di o man ewu ya very dangerous mina hwe edu ba kan say agro no mu die ade be ho abaka say e di agro hwe mining companies about 332 of mining companies omo boa omo nyina no na omo de akọ government na community ba ba Japan royalties special purpose vehicle na omo de aba ba ye omo sa nyama omo also the passage of Mineral Investment Fund Act and setting up of first special purpose vehicle Japan royalties in Jersey will allow us acting in various capacities through our friends to acquire majority of the stock stake to be listed on Ghana stock largest stock exchange and the Ghana stock Bank of Ghana. Yeah, the car. Yeah, 2024. 60 billion cedis. System. Yeah, Bank of Ghana. You remember why I bought 60 billion cedis? Bank of Ghana so I bought 60 billion cedis. You don't even know. You don't even know. You rather don't know. You don't even know. What you say? Yes. What you say? What you say? Chile mu mientie. 60 billion cedis. A car ya bo. Every year, Bank of Ghana, a whole entity. Bank of Ghana, whole entity. Bank of Ghana, Boka. I don't know what you question. Nanado, send another Alpha. It's another. Zaman, we mame. Oh, yeah, the idea shows. Sana say, oh, Boka, president need to know him come over here. What's going on? What's going on? What do you say?
Right. Thank you. Right. I was here high Akoma 87.9 FM. You go so Wonsom Jumadi na. You go so yede ebrewodo. Yebetwa so. Oko Facebook here live home. Na wait me the message there about on Facebook. Filippo Kwabre Kasem say good morning. Say God bless the nation. Ochia Father Canton and the rest. Teacher Constitution the free we are more same. So why are the NDC behaving like angels in opposition? Do they think Ghanaians will still have short memories? Can't they continue? They can't continue with their propaganda, but Ghanaians will never vote for them again, neither today nor tomorrow. Okay, and I think so. Justice Africa, so also the other about saying Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Napotekit is the best so far. Drip is here to stay. May God bless Nana Bawumia government. Vote for MPP is a national agenda to improve and move Ghana forward. Any idea? No. Evans Kwache, Eshemi Free Paris. Good morning, Sir John. Right, I was here. Ma yebetwa so na fi share other issues and pay on issues are yebetime ede aba. Bema ma memra ho na yento so from your end. Derek, yenko yenim na yen share. We will look at the Auto Forcings issue as our next topic in the next 15 minutes on that. Yeah.
Okay, Sir John. My mention me 15 minutes into an I'm time na you see the echo. Na akalawa. Okay, Sir John. Minua Fred Kasano. Oka insem bia na emisa one no echo up and down. Always say MPP for omuni asem bia papa bia ka Ghana for concerning omwankasa buka omo choice omo di bedi Ghana dream e de abesay o man no age o man na boso no omo nya se papa bia ka fa ho entini de omeya ne so ometo ayampia na Ghana for so de 80 all starting o se book no hwan na eye altar
share next topic
next topic it me be 4 minutes sorry about away.
Okay,
now o say hwan na eye altar of the book em say bi nua Fred book no on kind bi ana say onim na washada ana say obeso odi ntro eche Ghana for book no enekuta mi Sir John ebia me meka obeka se bia me na meka it's Sir John book no why edi na wase as the author.
Oh, so we cannot be an author.
Edi na wase why did the wase as an author we are not some obiem why did
osaje for motive for repenting.
Very good.
Of repenting fee
exactly sabi book nim so say all kasa no o make statement be say watch thesis me boy me researcher to be first page no ni na o nti ba first page no next page hu de na hu down
ene de
down ho kra utro book a de na down ho no as the author
na okay me
sa be next page
so ho na me ko na say
de na down ho
for penny fee
very good who be first page na be na even cover at the cover of the page one picture na da ho we picture one picture da ho one
Nanado Dankwa Kufuado, JB Dankwa, for penny. And
why autograph now after first page and why autograph now? Honor have be in a first page after why autograph now? Right, all right, on.
Unless you show me who be is it this
next page?
I want to know one ask me Ramachi.
Next page,
Why
why
I for your time, say you'll be autograph. I cannot confirm
exactly. But who the author of the book say go say why?
No, I've not seen author of the book.
Anyone see no?
But this is a person here.
And the name
Enna Odaso.
Exactly. The picture that's on
Enna Yedini Diaguasie. Is that an author? I want to understand.
That is an author.
According to
Meba, yes, that is an author. Meba.
According to wine.
Meba, that is an author. Osa be book me sama ohu book nu Mr. Okasa me di Mr. Fred di huni. Mr. Fred di huni Okasa me di ana metia meti o. Mr. Fred ye di Mr. Okasa no me di ana meti o. Tifeni di mame mpacho. Uhu edi na ho na picture na ho ni edi na ho na omuni Ghana ha. So mo Ghana ha. You will be a make certain establishment make statement say will be a friend character assassination me boy. Or make statement say book ni ba way 2016. It's what now 2016 8 years down the line. Mutimi fan court. And claim within say nyamo na mo tro character we. Umfonyi da ho as omanpanyini. Umfonyi da ho as omanhene. Mo former leader and as a former politician of Free Chrome JB Dankwa ni phone da ho a wo ebusuafo ma people dey ebusuani omunya phone da ho muti fan court en claim din en free krata we ho wo betina ka say book ni author ni author na e wode nka wo ti wei Mr. Fred wo ti nka obi tro krata de opecha to so e ka nsem a enimu a nka onan tenten ko dru court e wo claim din nsansem no ye problem di ma Ghana for o say ka sa no say Ashanti region ama be ku for do ma more ministers more CEO sir say ne busuafo wa bem oh sir on people for more ministers and more CEOs sir and na MPP for adwen boni wo mutirim NMP for mo na santeman endin yi it's more ministers oh mo people for do abem na rajba o mi abem amama otekoko so ya na asanteman wura ye fundraising say opiska e dey come no che no hospital na it's more CEOs more ministers mo Asante for mo Ashanti region ministers ni CEOs ana matena na central market esiwo ejija no amama Ashanti region not even a single hospital with me see commissioner Ghana for Kokum hospital with me bisa ma Ashanti region
no for me
me see from hospital John Domani ma see it's more ka say
me ba
no say John me land every time no say John every time me ba
I was clear you see the problem is
me say me keep statement me say I'm from me keep statement me say hospital ba ko poni ho monga start here ewi ma Ghana for ko munya bi da tie me statement be here no o ma start ewi ewi ma Ghana for ko hospital mo ministers mo Ashanti region e wa bem ana mo etimi anya sa ade no ama Ashanti region eti no clearly e che say ayi before o mu ni plan bia mayen na plan mo mayen say ejapade book yi o ma ye krata a book no meye no o mu be di Ghana dwirim
okay
e dey ma Ghana tikei no mo wia akọ abusuafo
right
yamra honorable Atoforsen case no so yes at case we case could do court ana ye attorney general dodo na efre no Godfred Odame
ni din ana dodo na efre no ni din no
efre no Godfred Odame me see di hu ni Mr. Fred ana make asana people bibliothek so ana because kasa me ye di na ma metie o me sere o ana go for da me de call court say Ghana ambulance $2 million e de to ambulance no kata ye hye ne poye bia ne abem na ye osafo mafo can say minority leader ana omode one ye can say company no Big C o ma hye ho a omode kata hye den aba Big C omo agent fe ne japa very good na we na assembly copy court the finance minister then honorable Sektepe eba court ebe chechiri mu say me as finance minister me na me authorize me deputy finance minister say or issue payment for that ambulance no it mo assembly a bisame attorney general Godfrey Ebu Adame say onye den on bisa Sektepe o bisa atoforsen asem komu ameka say ambulance yi krampo no aba equipment a yesi edi hye ambulance no aba ewo port over 4 years mun clear nyoman de so yede our port o se chinchina ono ankasa de opese ode adwenbone ni timu po persecute atoforsen wenye prosecution na persecution persecute atoforsen and say na ade a wo yi emfa kwan mu because company no kwa Big C ni say oye company a ono wagi din e wa manone enti say $2 million painting na mo pese mu say ni din a
it was 2.3 million euros.
Yes, so 2.3 million euros.
Yeah.
Enti ana mo pese mu gumi company Big C mu gumi hu fia mesere mo I will pay the 2.3 million euros to you people to Ghana na ambulance na mo de mo se mo mpe no mo se mo de anya papa no mo san fa ma de mesa mesa boka be fa ma de akọ back Godfrey Ebu Adame say NMP for say there be da ye nti ase ana asem di mu ana e court
Godfrey Ebu Adame represent the state
enti say no so no e dey ni
at this point position the Godfrey Ebu Adame represent the state Diana MPP 7 Diana
there be Godfrey Ebu Adame MPP 7 na make an anything say onye minister onye minister on the portfolio no I'm friend the minister of what this is the minister and then the state attorney general after they combine two yes and then he's an MPP politician obianim onye
lawyer for MPP.
Yes,
is that what you are saying?
Oh yes.
On records.
On record, MPP.
No, on record. On record.
MPP platforms. On
record at the court.
Okase, there be
no representative states.
On MPP platforms. On kase, NDC for Ghana for Ghana. Obechi omatum no more watcher omo. On MPP platforms on MPP atare. Okase ato forcing. Original court UK. On MPP atare ato forcing na. Or court no. O make sure ato force will go to jail. MP program no kujina enti MP for ani nyina ko wie no court say now ye dey call atofo seka say ye dey call court of appeal ne copy say dishonorable attorney general Godfrey Ebu Adame oni japa edi nkomo wo phone so it is against the ethics of the law. The ethics of the law say who as a lawyer the opposing side only a party will prosecute you no so one a lawyer no only the bedin only bedin kita ko bi ni dia you have to communicate through his lawyer but the dishonorable Godfrey Ebu Adame communicate directly to Japa text message on WhatsApp and a phone calls and in some case say even the witness should go and lie to the court say oyare na onje excuse duty emra say be on no Godfrey Ebu Adame no e betimi to kwan akwa abrochiri. And some can say or can tape ni more leak tape not even a single day no timi ko gina court ka say enye me na me ne kasa ogitum so ono ne kasa o tape nim and asem ko pie the court of appeal. Now court of appeal any can say Atoforsen has been acquitted or not discharged. Eche say Atoforsen hu so onye boni bia ondi Ghana sposika bia na is enimguase a aka MPP fo aka Godfrey Ebu Adame ni MPP fo no say enimguase no ebimbada because the first time in the history of Ghana any attorney general on a waiting on a party or not say prosecute edi come off so ehye ho kwan obefa so why the agent Atoforsen because Atoforsen needs to be persecuted at all costs, not prosecution but to be persecuted at all costs because Atoforsen in parliament no only key on Peyeku for the name any new Kenforata ɛna alagye baomia kata ɛhyɛ ne dream deɛ no ɔmoyɛ no ɔde ba abɔnten dodo ɛti ɔmampanyɛ kufuɔ do aka akyerɛ ne sɛ at all cost no ɔngyeli atofoɔ sen ɛsi ne audio ɛna kɔɔ sɛ atofoɔ sen ɛne gyapa mo ho som mo nkɔ fie now hwɛ ɛka a ɛde abrɛ Ghana na nka big C ɛka sɛ ɔtua 2.3 million euros no ama Ghana for do asa ambulance na kɔ back ka Ghana nke yenye size kana back ɛne ɔmo so no company betu sika bi ama ya na ɛne ambulance na ɔmo si wa ɛsɛ no why skin na de bɛyɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ clearly this MP before a group of people are ɔmo ya ɔmo adwene sɛ ɔmo bɛ sɛe ɔman ne pɔtɔ ɔmo ya ɔmo adwene sɛ kwa bia ɔmo bɛfa so a ɔman no ɛbɛbɔ fam na ɔman no Ghana fo abrɛ na Ghana fo taxpayers money esika yɛgye kakra nka de yɛ ɔman no ɛsa de ahokyɛ bɛto Ghana fo so no they will still do it because in no certain kwansa obia na adwene da ho bia mpa ɔdɔ ɔman bia bɛdwen sɛ ɔnoa nkasa oh Fred Mr. make us o kasa mi yedi o
let's go
make us mi yedi
o start 8
I Fred moderator na
o start 8:55
Fred moderator
account 3 minutes
exactly una say o ka chem sa account enya Fred say ka chem sa account me time so
yenko
na mo ankasa matena ho ama Ghana abɔ kasa because munim say nsema mo de call court muni nyina so bia na mama Ghana fo ahokyera beto Ghana fo so sei enne sa ambulances na si ho no Ghana fo no na mo pɛ ambulances ebi pɛ ambulances ɛde akɔ ahwɛ mo ho ayaresa ebi mo ɛpɛ ɛmoa efiri aban ho ɔmunya no ene saa sika ni nyina I waste because say ne percent ka at all cost no MP4% ka at all cost ɔmujeli atoforcing na nka ɔmudi ɛde score political points na ɔmudi ko gina simpie so ɛka sɛ yachiwe atum na so no ɔmunim sɛ bibia no kreda no ebe akoda efiri sɛ yɛsɛ nya audio evidence ɛsɛ nya messages a ɛkyerɛ sɛ the only attorney general in Ghana ɔne witness ɛhyehyɛ ho sɛ yɛn force ni mfa entro obi so ni jailing no the first time in the history of Ghana every MP abem eti no Sir John clearly these are the group of people are in fact they be ameka asem say ɔsɛ abanka yebenya party anke ento aba na kyempo na ko mu firi aba mu content na Ghana for kora ho to omo efi sɛ omu ni nimdie bia fa mamu the omu ni ma a Ponzi scheme anything omu ankasa former deputy finance minister eka kire omu no say they are running the country like a Ponzi scheme ajana 1 ajana 2 ye the answer left way eka say more free water near the answer right way ama ajo COVID-19 levy COVID-19 na ban so and he has been the deputy finance minister under the government and you know say osamo run as a Ponzi scheme wa we na kire aban a etia ba mu a enom ka che Ghana for den dada ne ntro ka che Ghana for say wo de enti banya hwe ama kra no enam ye campaign say a phone 1 CD 2 CD ube e mo ba for 1 CD 2 CD omuni bi bia de Ghana for
thank you very much
eti be say Ghana for nyina say
right
aye 7 December ye ba beto abi show us city to abapa because president Kufo na ka kire yen
but I say thank you
to abapa ni yen to aban wo mo ye corrupt inept no efra bam na otom Ghana
let us say Cosby thank you very much mama share yawa fum adding the message about Sir John mama chiao God bless Honorable Alex Tete MP for Seshi a contombra or church company for bebre so amedade so incoming MP I say MPP God bless MPP responsible MPP all the way MPP no size MPP breaking the 8 no akwasi be men na from Pondan so I say the MPP party very very scandalous. Evelyn Yao, say good morning to you, Omishemo Efri Livingston. I say God bless the NDC and JDM. Okay, I saw she free Stone. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Fred. My Hona, you will start here at 11 minutes after 9. You should put together and know exactly when you are ending. Okay. Thank you.
So 27.
Time by
27. Sir John.
Yes.
Mama Nas very quick one. Now me sign a Nas view. Sir John, I'm say me offer. Mr. Amwa. I can't book on Wonsom. Sense me baby or kan ya. no we see some questions bi to send me for Bank of Ghana ne ho nema
2 person we use 15 minutes maybe I respond
but 1 minute per
okay all right
the makacho say you no be to program so I no can nsem bi ana ho nsem kan ya na eden nti Mr. Amwa na ankasa ye ni papa ko a man from afar
I just say they okay nti for no a movement for betimi strategically did not pale strategically no ma o ma hwehwe wa na omo de
be ya no ti be ya no na on say woni NDC for no hia on say no fan we obu even NDC for no kra ni obu na net mframa no so ye adwuma ya na oni no on say ebi ka fon NDC for ebi ka fon pa so ara ebi ka fon pa omo san de on so ko no sa but obu a we very decent nti
that one I don't know
but the omu say book no mu nsem madika ka se Ghana for abagu dada me say amongu bio
okay
because we hear Mr. Amwa na workasa say sa mefo no eye mineral initiative one fund no
so minerals investment
so
minerals income investment fund
Bank of Ghana say so are we saying say you run another Danko Akufo-Addo Kofia or na to Bank of Ghana say any mineral investment one no dey call achem NDC ni ka so so fa book ni kire wo no ene wo ka kire wo se ho picture kire se na mi hu ba bia na asem no beso wadi kosie ene ba bi wadi ko ndie enti obi metro wodi ni metro Akoma FM na metro wodi nhyɛ ase a kire se wo na aye altar na mi wo wie na osan kasa me researcher it in fact na ama me doubt ne credibility ne integrity kakra because untimi nkan kire se obi and say nipa na wo kan say we altar no ono wan ka say about abedi nan abe cancer in fact ama utie papa ne kasa akra na uri say papa no odi ya onimu ama o use statement bi say eti Ghana development ko ba bia nti say bi ba o chema mu a na no kire say ye de o manager pade nyina e ba mikrom ha na and was akan bibi say enkrofo Christ say krampo dem no na me riches hey asamba these are the worst if you papa nanum it will we any nyina na kan say ye de nyame ase sika de boma wa je enti nsem du ho na say wo kohwe picture na kan say de one altar na book we maka just 2016 e bae 2024 and someone Mr. Amoye kan no kan wa lead to any nyina aya propaganda e free NDC wo bo maka ho asem aka sansem we say this is not the first time I hear it. In fact from 2020 election omo kan wasem it is omo kan say no that doesn't mean say eno nsemo aka nyina ye niam a chese aban ne bon homoden o ye adwuma ni nyina akrokra ni ho a sabe mpreduasa na na Danko Akufo-Addo be kofie yewura Akufo ta omo ka che Akufo se Akufo Jubilee House nkuko buo ene ye free wana na John Dramani mama ne yewura ebe kotena mu na me nua na kan bi say hospitals or come mram ka say Ashanti region e wo ministers aka eno si nsi hospital ba ko in fact ma me ma fast kakra bu me ti won ketua bi na akire wo ye ba ye hospitals ye ben inherit ye number of inherited hospitals 6 the Kwai Hospital Konongo Tepa Sewia
no Cosby 800
bed Ken West Teaching Hospital
Cosby allow him
utiemia
maninwe
me ba na botama ba ho
wow such a mention man Allah
me say inherited hospital yes 6 hospitals nyina kokura no so am NDC in fact mo so na mo sha ase John Dramani yewura Akufo initiatives and Professor Mills va kokura no John Dramani mama kra to aso ene be ya be wie initiated hospital a ye ni ankasa ye initiate ya me inheritance so ni number hospital initiated in fact any environment project manso kwanta MPP ba ye ni ye sha se ye wie twede ye wie anomanje ye wie sabronum ye wie drobonso ye wie any hospital ye ba ye no ye be sha se a ye wie there are so many e was Ashanti region ko awo agenda 111 there MCN no so 24 and also Ashanti region and also no at different level of completions yeah cost wo and the hospitals are bibi te Bekwai hospital champion na sha se and can this deal.
Okay.
A champion hospital, Nina, a baby, and
Okay.
no general.
Yeah.
Answer Minia and this in a Casano. And this is for jubility, Omakonya favorable ruling. Every a appeals court. And because of that, in case, I'm our fan where the DMPP. General term, where did Godfrey Damia term?
Why not? Okay.
Mini and this in Yikasa.
I don't care.
Wake can oh nothing say work out correct and catch and say on Kasa ye. Na na tie fine so where did the atom so did the atom sabe predu asama no sisi nya say aboa kwase anko but ensembu wa asante na hoka no
Okay.
so bia wonya asante ni a e bia na fruity region and I would do usu but to be some amo no we have to pick up blood
that is
o me catch we say
Fred
no say dan che mamemra masam so mamemra masam wo de nya botre mamemra so ai mamemra masam so wo de mamemra masam so oh say John
you see the entire some of the comments I measured
say
why
say
I measured
say usu fruity region
na say
oh na usu fruity region
obi ofri ho a o ka twisin obi o te
na me ka che o say gentia me ga ya no mutu din ba ko oh usu ya no mutu din champion eh kobia champion so we fruity region eso your friend a champion.
Let's move on.
Eti ya make can say court case you buy me who send this for jubilate pa. In fact, they are widely jubilating. Eti me trans busa me who din say eh. Na nya send this for kre ya ruling ba ya rulings ba na kotia wo mo a. Na ho benya pani a sebe mpeduasa. Asantim ya na etaka asem se pani ntoto. But benya pani a wo di NDC anim. Na wa massa court yi edin judges yi wa mo din unanimous FC Akufo-Addo court judges na wa ma all sorts of names we benya the babies of sharpties like Minia Derek Owusunom amoma be cancel fun ya ya afa nansam fun no no so ateli
that's too plain.
Okay ma twe fun na free ho and someone ya any kwasi yeka John before so babe high court judge no per the constitution also you be a wire lawyer of a good standing for 15 good years appeal court year 20 supreme court year 2025 thereabout and high court year 10 in that order it is be rise e ko dru ho no a sebe mpredu asa wabobra but emra ensensem koso NDC for omo mfa sempa bia anko court omo kodi for a wote nsem ya na koso and NDC for jubilate but ye wie no omo emra omo start so omo jubilate na me ma say me ko he judges no ana ko hunu Justice Bright Mensa no high court ena ku fa ne ko appeals court ena me ko hunu akabuafo nso where lawyer near on so ye good on so kufa na appoint no appeal court ena me ko hunu a champion Mr. Champion Alex Poko champion ya Alex Poko champion no so no on so kufa do ena no ko appeal court ena me ka say na so kufa na do mo ko ya dia ena to masa to aba etia kufa do aban case yi ena hu say say na ndisi no bone ena ya na wo mutirimu because question mra bi me busa question bi emra ye call Supreme Court presidential election NDC for the call ya wo mo akọ ya no mu ni case bia na wo mo call ya wo mu ni case bia nti ye bogu ya o mbe gina ho ka say na papa bi wo mu na justice bi wo mu ne friend justice ya wapa wo justice wa pa so be ka so commissioner no one na emra ye call Brazil ba ye no ho sensem no one na te so justice wa pa afei ya hwe ruling no na justice apa ground so akoto favor majority na unanimous enti me busa ndisi for say na justice apa mu na mo appointing no de na akoto ti amo enti asem e ba ye ade aye ka kire ndisi for say attorney general indicate so be call appeal e Supreme Court because attorney general questions obusa aye pa ne say one was say and someone ekosoi ensem a ekoso no ensem a ma wore kwadan appeal de kwadan court no ɛyɛ one wɔse vehicles na ɛkɔtɔɔyɛ no ɛyɛ saa deɛ ɔmo fɛ no ambulance no yɛ elvan vans saa na ndis fɔ na ankasa ɔmo former health minister describe no sɛ ɛyɛ vans bi kɛkɛ 2014 ne tia mmara one wɔsɛ ɛyɛ violation of the law ebiew wɔse saa mmara minister no ɔwɔ a ne yɛfɛ no mystery aite wɔse you question ɔka kyerɛ ndc foɔ sɛ saa nneɛma na ɔmo yɛ no ɛnam mmara kwan so ɛyɛ letter of credit no ɛnam mmara kwan so afei wohwɛ was it no request from the ministry of health na ɛyɛ ɔmo na ɛyɛ the beneficiary ministry no ɔmo a request biribiara was it no request or any authorization whatsoever and the time that the period for the supply of the ambulances 2014 no ɔmo a request biribiara nti ɛno so tia mmara because ɔmo na ɛyɛ beneficiary ministry ɔmo so ɔmo a request biribiara letter of credit were consequently established on 18th of August 2014 Big C Contract Trading Limited LLC the supplier of the vehicles based in Dubai whose contract had no parliamentary approval saa nneɛma wei nyinaa no ɛyɛ nneɛma a etia Ghana yɛ mmira sɛ wokɔtɔ biribi wɔ man Ghana mu a sɛ wokɔtɔ sɛ o render service afiri obi hɔ ɛyɛ state ni di mu deɛ ɔsɛ kɔ parliament saa nneɛma wei nyinaa nkɔ parliament that was the more reason why a ɛyɛ mmira kɔ high court NDC for the no case ne kɔɔyɛ no court no bogu yɛ court no establish a prima facie case court no establish a prima facie case deɛ kyerɛ nyinaa ne sɛ there's a case for you to answer ɛna ɔmo de saa no case ne kɔ court no bogu yɛ na ɔka sɛ nti started na supreme court anaasɛ Godfred Damian indicate obi kɔ supreme court me sɛ ndc foɔ ɔmo de ɔmo ano ɔya yɛnim ɔmo sɛ supreme court kɔ supreme court na supreme court ka sɛ the appeal court yɛ because yɛwɔ two pyramids ahead of appeal court yɛwɔ two pyramids ahead of appeal court wa attorney general ɛwɔ that opportunity to exhaust one ɛyɛ supreme court two ɛyɛ review of supreme court decision because we are in Ghana here yeah attorney general we are echo review in fact there was a case recently yeah supreme court na nka say ditia no and echo review no mo ade omni two kan echo no ɔwene ye enti supreme court ebetimi overturn ɔkɔ na ɔkɔ kan nsɛm yi a because yɛka appeal simply means odi biribi a yɛnhunu ɛba bɛka wasɛm na sɛ biribi a na yɛnim asa time a yɛma ruling no biribi wa ne yɛnya aware na sɛ wantimi yan convince ye this time round no you are going and come back to convince the court supreme court for that mandate no so betumi overturn so overturn a ɛma NDC for no mɛka nkyerɛ yɛ sɛ sɛbe mpraduasa supreme court no yɛ nanado dan court no yɛ nanado court no ɛyɛ unanimous FC court no ɔmo nkɔmma mani dini na me de minimu sɛ ɛnneɛma betumi atɛne right court no a ɛna ɔmo praise no the same court no ebetumi asan atɛne ɛna supreme court nso nkoa na wɔtumi mmerɛ mu no sɛ ɔma ruling no obetumi asan afiri ne ruling ho ɔma ruling no obetumi afiri ne ruling ho obetumi avari mmerɛ mu no sɛ yɛka no he can vary his own ruling or judgment enti yɛbɛsrɛ NDC foɔ asɛm wɔ ese no Godfred Damian indicate ɔbɛkɔ supreme court ɔkɔ a na ɛtɛne a ma ɔmo because nneɛma akorɔ no a akɔ soɔ na abedu baabi edu yɛntumi ntena ho ɛma saa nsɛm no ɛnkɔ so.
But the Supreme, according to the appeals courts, you couldn't have produced evidence enough to prosecute or to force him.
They was say high court. They was a high court. Nyame aduma enche bianco be case no. The man ko ban say yeah we case no. And then this for case on the court appeals court. Supreme Court between attend sa dem. So mo nyintum sa. No mo edu.
Mami into on this issue another. Yeah.
Before I go there, no, there's few area. Now the Bank of Ghana. So ma aboka na me na on tiase. So hwɛ was it Bank of Ghana's performance from 2013 to 2023. 2012, they made a profit of 574 million Ghana cedis. 2013, 713. 2014, 580. 2015, 606 million Ghana cedis. 2016, 813 million Ghana cedis. 2017, 992 million Ghana cedis. 2018, a loss of 1.8 billion Ghana cedis. 2019, loss of 3.1 billion Ghana cedis. 2020, loss of 6.1 billion Ghana cedis. 2021, 4.6 billion Ghana cedis. 2022, 7.2 billion Ghana cedis. 2023, loss of 60.8 billion Ghana cedis. The Dana 2023 Macan. Sorry, 60.8 billion 2023. 2023. Oh, Dana. If 2012 basic 2017. The Indian first one if 2018 crowd they can't go on able. Nye come out. Came more than by mood. And we need questions, we need answers from Bank of Ghana. Yes, one by 2 12 hours because they are more KBR. Because this is the list there. And then there's this now may can be about mineral investment fund. Mineral and income investment fund. And so fund now will be that's separated the day that baby are. Alanche Martin on the policy. Also about so Alanche Martin book great transformation plan. Also about the economic cluster. Was it deepening the capital market and financial intermediation? Also about you consolidate all statutory investment funds. Example, the stabilization fund, the heritage fund, the mineral income investment fund, that's the name, Ghana infrastructure investment fund, venture capital trust fund, and all of them under the Ghana sovereign wealth fund to be established. So he was going to establish a sovereign wealth fund and put all these a year amount for 1 year almost as so that now they are shut 1 year so that transparency bit marcos now eyes better eyes will be on this area will be in fact be also in use cancer in our paper because sir says Kenya say na a click be ho na omu use now we said yeah Japade book can the way they were going to use the to benefit themselves. To Alanche Martin ba be bought Ghana sika ho ban because Ghana sika na prima nipa kakra bi emwie sika emfesika no na omo nse no fa nya de omo ye hwe se o hwe na za kelni GVG you obi dey yi aba Frankie could you remember? See, data price having been raised by Telco since November 23. See, data prices they increase you. Yet the Ministry of Communication keeps on piling taxes on data, but 60% increases on data. Meanwhile, it is killing the telecom industry with utterly despicable rules while literally stealing stealing from the same revenue. Did you know the Minister of Communication per the Kelny GVG contract pays 1.5 million every month since 2018 to a reclusive entity for claiming to prevent stealing by telcos? Meanwhile, there has not been a single published report on the findings and savings made by Kelny. Incompetence and theft. In the name of in Sikwa, Nina Japade book. A quite fast one, Omunam, a quite who do so, Omuya or Mexica to benefit themselves and their cronies. Ghana, Indian Papa Condia, and Anya Busiamba Condia, and Nanya entity video. Your man, Yedia. It is a bot or man or mine. Yet me set or manner near my here, and it me as treasury. can you imagine that Lancham Martin the president Sanima we see because he's a proven track record so we're competent and we're credible Sanima we see it na ye bo ye ka kire ya tiefo nyina se mo me fa Lancham Martin bra no me show my we see my hwe me back to isa ambulance me say ye no twa ba ko so aba ye so risk ka se bebre na we say no se makoto ambulance no 2.4 million euros adamba
2.37 million euros
okay, so around 2.4 million euros musi ambulance no enye fit for purpose enipa no dia nse mate momfa emra ambulance no hwede a na so trotro de where's the trotro pa enti momfa mra na nchiam siga na enti momfa mra na memfam sika ma edie ne si kwan se oman ni sika yenti mo ho ban se okay yati at least we can bit my say e fa say negotiation momfa mra na magi musika yemfa de no kwa na yen face yen se kan sika na yemfa nya ado foforo na chinchina enchin say da bi ene man de yemfa mra mo ambulance no is you anambo ana nsizo esu ana nyina pro but the pro no esu fa so hwe saa bi na se okọ local government office na ewo Medina no a because first be ko cast you sound the ka be prego na nyina pro o mesika yes sound saa because nyina sika no de toy ni hu bibia ni wo mo yes wo mo theaters o de obahu wo mo a wo mo sell mesika pa wo they don't pay direct or indirectors and before nyina wo they don't pay tax and that ya na etua taxes no ya mo kwa yesika no ma be say no what I say
Fred, can you play
anuti idea ha dream papa and no doubt me na echina fro tax we tax we akamo we fro ye fro whisky unya dagu no ba we obedi na tax so anka o kan say enyi tax na ye be production from taxation to production you dey enti idea o mo decide no haye nka governor me ko betimi pa nanka idea so yense yo mense kinsika na we just issue ya be dey bebre system no because we start can sika kura wie ya you still could have even pursue the case in court but what now my case no akọ ina se akọ jinse na ya kan so no ya kan ambulance ho asem die na ya mra ba ko no so a ye kokra ba ya so spare parts ko atimi sa to ambulance bono because what the $34 million
the recent one
yeah kraba
what's the name one constituency one
spare parts
issue
aba
okay
issue aba no
that's still under investigation, you know. Can we substantiate and discuss it? 34 million dollars assurance committee. As it be a letter of credit. And just said they have not made the payments.
Letter of credit. The meaning of letter of credit, and it say, me am tia me ye be a purchaser, me tardian, any supplier. I talk to my bank. Say, Papa, if there's some tardy with free, sir, if I receive. That's a producer idea in
or executor.
Pay the person.
When there is question mark about Adianwa.
Yes, question in answer. Okay. Now, son, I may meet my cancer actually bank zone. None will scan the hole.
Oh, sure.
Because the scan must be there must be a proof of fund. And some a letter of credit amount. Yeah, unless it be a credit agreement video. Yes, sir, you need to get a proof of fund and sign a letter of credit amount because your contract. Any supply and bank na contract. Now $34 million pa ye de kwa koto spare parts ya. Eno ba ko bia timito ambulance no ba ko. Ema faso okra ba chiri dia. Ne nso mu awiro. Enti saa ne ma we num nyina ne ma ekoso a we gidi se esi ahwim because Ghana is kano e kwa faso a omu diskano okromase no. E very alarming. Wo kan so obenya nkrofo e ba be defend ya ba kan de omu pe bia. Enti say no be a drone. Oh man, we must think about it. Oh, your vote is the kind of prayer about the kind of world you want to live in. If you vote for a liar and a thief or an imposter, you are not just a victim but an accomplice. So I could talk about my cromfo and as a trufwa and as will be a warrior because Yananta or who says, Nasa, we are Missu because also can't hold in a baby a drone. It's a buy a cotono. So over you see about own espinya ominoji. Over platform over so you to buy the one pictures abiguzu Alanche Martini other two parties ni yesi ba ko kromfo ba ko so ye trofo ba ko ye kromfo ba ko so ye trofo Alanche Martini ne ho kan ni na boni bia no nka bia no o yo bi odi no kre o ba bem na adwuma nyina o bia ntimi fa boni ba ko kre sei ento no send power ba be hosika so amawa wan na bepene na me na mbusa se wo be tu kwan na o ma me ensa ba ko ye kromfo ba ko ye trofo ba ko so ne huni asem bia wo ne wo nyina na tv na se wo tu kwa ko de be wo so me ensa wo bia wan na wo da ensa fo abegya no ti Ghana fo mo nwene ho Alanche Martin na wadi ne huni wa kire se oyobia ne hote enema ye kan sika ahie nyina kwa obefa so a obebo ni nyina ho ba hwe sika ya ekọ ba bia omudi oso oba obeka ni nyina abom na wode ato sovereign Ghana Sovereign Wealth Fund so na transparent ama Ghana fo nyina ho musika ni ye bo ho ban aban Alanche Martin ene na ban bo ho ban sa krata odi abai we nko ane krata atuma ba oba ba kire how to build practical economy enterprise economy bia benya ho faso enti mo mia mfa ni agro na we num dede atwoka no mo ye no mo mia mfa ni agro no mo di bi ye wo mu di esika nyina monitua wo mu wiaye nyina monitua ba ko so ba ono yawe na am na aka dombe na me ni se dombe no ano beto aso awie o se yasa de na no bi agu I don't know ba ko so ba mo amunim se de esiko ya we monitua japade buku ya de awia esika wo mamu sika nyina se buku se o tas na kan a o kan a na nusu ye agu
right, okay, that's fine. Ma yenhwe na enche mema afrefo abamu bi na yatoa so Africanus in the about say the MPP has failed the entire country with their promises and still wants to confuse the innocent Ghanaians more. Please, December 7th election, we are almost there, and the NDC is working with Ghanaians to reset Ghana. NDC and JDM will not disappoint Ghana and the family members. They have ever tested, and the trust is there. Okay. Manzaid say, Sir John, good morning. A Japadia book is written document providing verifiable issues, so no propaganda could be quoted to a Japadia document. Santama is just giving strength to the MPP for Nanado and his system to use MPP strength to enslave all Ghanaians. Adjubicate Evelyn. I'll say for the first time, God willing, my term is not for NPP. And no a adjubicate a dear no. Na ya mema 3. Then we are done. 3 minutes for you.
Okay,
Cosby.
Sir John.
3 minutes.
Sir John.
40. Let's go.
Okay, Sir John. Mr. Fred of free MPP or Kasano. Emi say obetre fidie no so no. Ni nsem a oka nyina no dodo na wasa atwe asan. If we say nsem a oka no atemdidie nsem ana obetena hanom a oka. Na mesese yeti ha no ye kasa yemfa ebuo eneni die ema etifo a omohwe yen. Because etifo omohwe yen no a opportunity ni enya ne abetena ha ebu o hwe yen a onimdie kwase ya yeti etifo ebuni die ema wom. Na otie kasa no say ambulance na ɛyɛ vans na mebisa ambulance ɛyɛ tricycle ana ɛyɛ bicycle one constituency ambulance na ɛba ɛno nyɛ vans ambulance bɛn na yɛ import a yɛba no accessories bibiara wo mpɛ kwan san yɛde aba ambulance bi ɛba biara is an empty van na access. Please keep quiet, let me talk, please. Me don't know my myself for woman manager the church. I said I should for share. Dia na wo ye.
Fred man.
What na han what I am pia wo di matema ga jem say me you so me free oti region. If say MP for me oti region for. What better na my idea me hwe wo. Me say kasa so esa eti na ye free bu me eti for mesre wa. Mesre pi. Ambulance ban yakra fra brochira e ba na ambulance ya hye machine ya hye access room dada. Me procurement officer ambulance biamba yakra bia ba bia no is an empty van which comes and sana accessories has been fixed. That's how it's been done. It's here for the procurement and installation. We my din yen church or me papa chow. My din church or say ambulance in advance. Now ambulance ban a tricycle and a bicycle. Ambulance ban a tricycle and a bicycle. What better na mo say be ka che say Mosi hospital wa and manjia mo wi and manji for ku and manji for hwe o muti wo. Se Mosi hospital wie Mosi ahye na mo wie no mo kom hospital koba mo hwe o muti wo ne ntro na wote awudin because mo hwe fi alaji ba o mia ho mo hwe o muti wo eti no clearly ama ye timu aho kire abadokro yen alaji ba o mia ne no no ane boss mampenya kufuado e de abeto ye so Ghana fa ho kire ye kom no Sir John enya bi ne se betene video so bedi Ghana fa atemu enya bi se betene video so e beto ayampia ne ato ayampia ne saka se twesan na wa tweasan enya bi no Ghana for ehunu se yaso ansa na omohunu se omohunu emu aduru omohunu se inkontompo sem ene na baba sem a mode betena konwa no so a masa Ghana sika sem poto a ene dwadi ni dwuda oboka ene obi oto ade bia na ekire na yato nwomem ene ahokyira mode beto Ghana for so ene entro mode beto mode besem bedi akonwa no emu bia no motima ama Ghana for breast wate no Ghana for say yenka chemo MP for say 7 December omode yitumi mamo na tumi ne de ma omampanyini e ya konwe na de tena so enye sia na de omampanyini se eto mbeto abetia MPP e the President John Dramani Mahama ne NDC aba back na reset economy na Ghana si kwantene pana Kwame Nkrumah de si so no ye sesi akwantene pana so
thank you very much Fred you hear the next 3 minutes
the next 3 minutes so American NDC ne dem say onim de wo keka ye kan ambulance obi kire me ye kan ambulance ye den ambulance ye van anase car a community ni power yare na ye ne ko no ye man sebe ye man first aid then to between ni part to trotro mu anasa taxi mu aka che so ne ko no man first aid ana go and check this one constituency one ambulance say buy no emu de hin ne buy ya de ko see baby fixing niam wo mu if you don't know don't sit here and just expose you are ignorant in the public. So you procurement officer and the procurement officer you know I was say you free ambulance bang ambulance allow him ambulance bang ambulance and another dan kwaku for 307 ambulance here the bag Ghana na eba ne be see ya who say the go see Independence Square no aye che no who say the facility
other insulation ye wo ha yentimi ka say from direct any abeto the van but before you process the van to other installation and be ka ho
but you ebia ni nyina wo but where dey omo kan ho asem because where dey omo kan ho asem according to Ministry of Health NDC for now under their own NDC report from German from the bear no say catch say it doesn't fit for the purpose to use as a ambulance the company na catch them and it's a mobile dia and to nyama na governor the court na or say even mukto in 2014 then na simo kwan say na nka mpesa mu use no say ambulance ya na nka mu ntimi mfa ho nyama na aka ne ma na say busa question say eba no na bed ka ho ana so dey am say eba and e be install ya busa say na bed ka ho ana na eniama ye di simu a wo ye bi ambulance mu a wo dey uru
betim dey installation
no me pato no
cause we allow him
the question is eba no e be si on obi atimia produce one bed say ambulance eba na say van eba no na bibi o ma ye buy ne be solar na nti de bent na 2014 na nka mo antimi an fix sa ne ma no mu. Have you seen that? No. It's our trana ube exhibit ignorance in public. See a case ambulance no ne ade ade.
But Fred, at the court, Jakpa, remember Jakpa, they making the case, they made a case that the other installation has been at the port.
Yeah, way.
I was saying I buy a cocoa
farm. And report, and then a report to know a free company in a year, cars in buy no. They stated in the report. Say, one more say, no, almost catch it almost, it doesn't fit for the purpose. Away, I ain't find a war. Ghana has say, Emra, Yakoto, Nra, Bessie, Port, no, a home by Bedeja. See, I'm a baby port crown in Quimra. Your friend, 20, you're about Umia, and nam, bontua, or catch the Ghana for. Say, Nanado Danko Father, you my power, yes, subbing pen for said you my page and rapai. Nanado free SHS, yet me nine Kojuba Shat Basasha before. And Mumma said, because Womuno ab issue, they doesn't believe in free SHS. You cannot entrust them. Bio, yet me that Ghana, Rantan and Mabawa, Emma Womu. Emra na Ghana ekọ ahokyeremu omo time ya emra ntene ma wa kobusa omo say ma yadwuma ne oso onya magician ene wa kreti adwuma safo we yetimi sanfo ma Ghana nso omo nsam yentimi mfo ma Ghana nso omo nsam abra me ma wie university ma ko 4 years ma wie diploma ma wie we no ne be ka kire me say even course from here in university doesn't fit for the purpose.
Right.
Yentimi mfa obi a cancel teacher training allowance obi o cancel nursing training allowance obi o ma Ghana for there sumu for 4 to 5 years and show mo nsem and na dan kwaku fado wa bedu o mana kwaku do be say ye raba umia eso oba now the problem we want is businessmen.
May I say thank you very much Mizamo Fred please
flat rate
Fred Mizamo the time as
flat rate Akoma was very interesting. One of the year it doesn't make economic sense. Flat rate say container BC 20-footer container it be $1,000. What to be that?
Other countries
other countries flat rate na 20-footer container 20-footer container back Land Cruiser the ship back so Vic car get
Vets
in the ship will be able to $1,000. Is that what it is?
So what is the alternative from end? What is the alternative from end?
Obi abebu sanubiano. O say obi abebu sanubiano. O say 20-footer container si wa eno anu. 20-footer is 20-footer. But which doesn't make economic sense. It's bia na say okoko ka fa telephone say 1 cedi per 1 cedi 2 cedi da. Without telephone back one say the 40 years 80 years it. What I say? Enti say you call it sarcastic. Obi to say president, vice president the kasa. O say na you kind of repeat it. They kind of repeat it. Enti the work talk phone back now the 80 years ni tua. Enti say na man nyina kire say ba ta na oba oni hwe de bre. Because nyama o kan nyina no okeka na as the Ghana for be here because they think Ghanaians want to hear what they want to hear, and that is not the case now. Ghana for are wising up. Ye nyina ye near bi Alanche Martin ba wonu wa shut down making them explicit. The kwa fa so obema tax rates na baso was it we be eliminated the compounding calculation of VAT by consolidating NHI get fund and the VAT because when you are you pay 19 different taxes. Tax on tax. Tax on tax. We make tax back. Me, I'm talking about Debbie. What was it? Flat rate. Flat rate. Me can make specific. specific because if I say obi kwa ko yiniema and I say and so what part dey kra tax we do to yourself and san ya kan nyina bon san obi tua main VAT instead of 17% you pay about 21%. Enti alanche matin so about consolidate sade nyina na nya say be tax on tax. It is a 70% not 17.
Right.
And compounding what could do say 21. After COVID-19 health recovery levy or be abolish it. Import levy 2% or be abolish it. And a disinfection fee or be abolish it. And after adeba very important. Very important. Or be abolish it for the first 2 years of his first 2 years of his or be abolish it spare pass tax on spare pass. Send me a beya. Ebema enuane boaye fo because
mama friend from
transport
mama yes
I'm enuane boaye fo masa mama gas.
All right me that's mama friend from Remo 0322498035 0243114497 ma mentio mpacho wudi ni baby akasa free. Good morning
Sir John.
Yes sir.
Pacha Jamal ni mkasa free ma se
Jamal mentio minia
friend dey che one dey tembi o ba be tenesi dey ntro no ka amba said free baby kura mahama ka so onye magician o magana for ejuma but me na me want to ntro so ba be flat rate che dey bi sa ho se mako class 20 feet container like cruiser na wo na me price am be tio na obi a wako class the same 20 feet container pampers wo no so ba be share the same price. Oh, I am probably the dada na wadi dada if 2016-15 dada na no azo ni so ge do yi ni wi ni o mbeka bia na wajedi who said the same job na say na wo din tro I say oh you are I say what number school you useless I say
me da say minia mami ntio hello
minia good morning Sir John.
Good morning
senior maharaji mi o
minia mami ntio senior
good day mpacho we dem bi so Mr. Amua titi mini program Zuri FM ko mpacho no ana say
Mr. Amwa Love Enterprise ya onwa
oh mafino mi papa no wodi djuma mini di djuma che mpacho Mr. Amwa Mr. John we am mpacho I am from contract man na mini ndi ko maka
Mate
yo mi da say we che amu kaman we share so PC ene misudi chama Emilia oh my Ghana ni nyeni pa ba ko fodi ewu ye ka Ghana ye ka say Ghana ni MPP for the antono asem bi omu na mu di no ko mu na mu ya soro bofo omu ka no ko de bi wo oh my Ghana to ba yi president na ye ba ne say dia plano ba ko 10 cities na bi ni chebiom na wo chemu menu na wudi ba kuma MPP ni wudi ba kuma MPP ni mu na ntena mudu bebi a MPP ni be ka so ne paano no ye papa echa wudi ndi ti ami ka se ni se hwentua Dr. Baumia be twa Ghana for se onu wachi dollar no e Akoma IGP na 370 pesos na 60 cities we see one for see and mano no for man function in February
Meda Simaraj, thank you. Good morning.
Johnny.
Solo.
Johnny be good.
Solo.
Johnny, I want to play.
Major Sumi.
Na, Amensia, one of the Japan. No play the Atiaki one family. Nana from Pomasa to say what Chamang of the Janov. Namacha Samaden Kokwapia, and a lawyer Bapo, Mancha, South City. Na, Minia Frederick, Mamma Paso Papa. Say Papa Fantoni, and then this is na Sir John o ma Frederick Sam so o ma na nkata na o interpret e kama e so me the political party bi e be show I would say na Frederick Great Gina Frederick we are one with God we are more than majority and pe what block pe juma papa nya me say na me tamu ase ye se mo bo mi ase flat rate no enya juma so bi the limousine aba no be the pambes aba be the be juma but wo dia so be free no free mom be juma but party mom dey nyajuma Ghana for ye agenda yitirim
me da say yem for fro. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning sir.
Yes sir.
We catch you to say
Nyame andom bacho hwan you.
We catch Shaibu Kambu from Ofenso.
Shaibu me bacho me ntimi nia.
Idamo say we bo NDC ni baso. We say wa ya dia wa kasa ye na mpira ni na da ni kontompo ni ahombasoɔ ni na mmarahyɛm no a NPP-foɔ bia ma yɛ HD yɛ nia sisi baako bi yɛfrɛ no champion agude ɛna akwasi kyɛw bi ka fɛ kyɛw wɔ mu wɔ
let me Mr. and your discussion no nim don't bring that one in Mr. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir.
John, anything?
Nyame adumbo kombacho hani.
Just know ya Mr. Muhammad. Na je sre no ya pe number me contact ni office ya pe se ko ho no na ye hu ye nti onu ya mo ba do so mo ma bia office ni contact na mo ma san.
Ai office by movement office the contact.
Movement change movement change. Ai. Ko yo ye gusu gidi ya campaign wa change ni na pe se pushi. Ye ba on. If you have my numbers, office, you know, take any possible. Because you're near the bar.
I ain't a Gaza free.
You know, because every
Bokrom Estate,
aye.
My team is Amoa. I remember Kanyano, address him. Hello, as I be.
Yo, the mama only na minja lawyer ibasa mankwa. Kwa tuma kama madam bisa the man. NBC parliamentary candidate the neighbor. Minja no. Ana fa de nsembe de na maka na Ghana ya to abaponi. Ghana ya to abafo. Na Ghana ye ni ya sisi ya sofa na danko ku fa do be president. So na be danko ku fa do nsembe ka che Ghana fa ye to abama no. So don ye no me ye ni. E no ye sa e da pa di ya. So it's a person now to the bishop for my say. If you got the put down for me, not to be ready. And then I best say down for. If you can see the another don't go for the bishop for such in Milania, the never say 2024. When you find this in that, you to be my mom.
But I say, hello?
Hey, good morning for
Nana Bedi there.
It's actually Amuna.
Ejo Suminia.
That's the brain. Maman said, I could feel a boy. To be Mr. Concla, you didn't call. Someone to call Quatia. One would go to one of my doctor, Mahmoud Palmia. Now, on the young first level of us, NBC4, any of a phantom for a moon panel cracker. Not him, every kumu. To the sense there, over 30 years, Dr. Mahmoud Palmia, who can do whatever. So, Mama, I catch a gun of force, why you gonna point now? I just want to come out. On my baby could for the number. I am for 4. I catch it in a my point, your your mama is not platform for a couple to for the second man. I think I can't throw. And you go to me up when I'm point to you.
Let us say, Memphis last caller. Na inwi, if I am for caller bill. Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm going to tell me or teach when
yeah, Joseph.
I beg your phone to go on sabo and this Basumamo. Now, my friend is saying because of it, I put now, me myself decided to service of you, but me I see into a man or Babe. Now, you see, I know what you're heading. When to your service of you once and about me, I've been Janine free. I summon number why. Oh, was I doing when you to say, be gay Ghana fauna or 2 and I say, people no one for Wonsom. I want to hold him as vice president. Or to also me by the way, me by the years ago. Abra vice president, they want to move into office here. He live in the same crime that they see cost me and they will send 1,000. Oh, send them on the do interest or on the two. Oh, send them moving on to who can say echo 1,000 now. Kasi chaso. Ogo the tendency the also. Obi panu sa ko yi ani asa ti onu so tendency. The other thing are double taxi. If you didn't know to me you through no to also into a man or bad then am I. You don't bet NPP throw me now you.
But I say, young fancy her na yen sorry. Yes, sorry. Yes, sorry.
Wait, my friend. 0244.
Our number was office 1. And our number.
I would have the number way, man. 0244 691898. 0244 691898. 0244 691898.
0244 691898. Nti omo fra na chere office no ana oh you
yes Sir John the message ne say mama mfa kwenye so won say your chairman kese pa
chairman
Jukad
yeah
the whole Ghana so far MPP chairman watch in fact including NDC chairman what na konya so watch pa eduka na ma ntuma nyina abom won na chairman e bi chairman in shares so what na wa kan chinegu e be fa konya so na New Patriotic Party ade ato yani na yɛn fa kwanya so na yɛn mabusua hyɛden kankan wɔ baa kunanya wagya na kyiri ɛne abusua ne hyɛ so na santeman
nyankopɔn fa ne kransi yeah abusua medin de sɛ John obibini akohene Benjamin Edu production anɔpɛ na yɛadeɛ kɔ social media live on Facebook anɔpɛ ma me na wase sɛ ɔso atumi ajoin yɛn to this time me sorry obibini akohene mensa deɛ bibi nsroma brɛ me sorry nyame adoma dwoada anɔpa obɛti yɛn ka na nneɛma foforɔ a ɛba on this show nyame adom a dwoada yɛnhyia yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ have a nice